My name is Dan Legg and I am the Sales Director for Express Bifolding Doors here in Weybridge. So the showroom here in Weybridge is truly unique. It's set across 2 floors and it's packed with the bespoke products that we manufacture. We wanted to create something that meant that homeowners could see our products in their true settings, in kitchen areas and dining areas, at sizes that were relevant to the way that they were going to have them within their homes. Regardless of what stage your project is at, the showroom can offer endless ideas and inspiration for architects, homeowners, and even our trade customers bringing their customers to the showroom. So we're able to offer multiple bifolding doors, sliding doors, a suite of windows, a ton of entrance doors, all in bespoke colours. The options with colours and finishes is endless. We can also offer a range of specialist products like glass roofs, curtain walling, pivot doors, really bespoke things, and they can all be seen here at the showroom in Weybridge. The showroom here in Weybridge is open 6 days a week. There's no need to make an appointment, there's ample parking, and we even have a family room to keep the little ones entertained. We've gone to great lengths to make sure that the Weybridge showroom displays the full potential of our products, and we have an expert team on hand to answer any of your questions and queries.